So we've had an hour's kit. Daz is up and kicking. We have 10 hours and 44 minutes, which is 704 miles left. But that's to Barcelona. To be fair, for a drift car, this isn't that bad. I mean, I took the right decision and I didn't fit the bucket seats yet. I'm glad I didn't, so I could put the seat all the way back to sleep. It's my journey. Oh, see you in a bit. Over there. Moo, 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 moo. Oh look, there's a Darren. Just stopped for another toilet break. We've got 7 hours and 43 minutes left, 528 miles. Wow, it's been fun. Rest stop, clear road. Saw some nice cars on the way. It's just been a good day so far. I'm not really that tired anymore. I think that extra hour nap earlier I had sorted me out for a bit. Might need a little nap later, but I want to just get to Barcelona, have a sangria, something to eat, and then board the boat. Looking forward to the boat. I'm not looking forward to the boat. I get so travel sick on the sea. So me and Daz are at the lunch stop now. Daz has got his old tank top out again. Yeah, this is how many times we've filled up?
Second time in this country.
Second time in France. So I think maybe we might have to fill up one more time. We are just gonna go and get some crab. So after a couple of stops, I've got 6 hours 20 of driving left and 427 miles. I'm gonna be there 7:30. Boat's at 11, gives me enough time. I had to stop and get changed because I'm sweating out, but I fucked up. Basically, the aircon has died. It's currently 29 degrees. I had the window shut so I can record this at the moment, but yeah, so I decided when I sorted the clutch out on this car, fitted the selector and the hydro, to remove the metal heat shield underneath and replace it with, you know, the gold sticky stuff. Well, the gold sticky stuff didn't turn up in time, so now I'm suffering. I must have lost about a stone, if I'm honest. So what I've had to do is I've had to take my jumper that I was wearing this morning and I've had to put it in the center console along here so that the hot air doesn't come out and burn my fucking leg, because I've also removed the rubber bit that sits on the bottom of the gear stick to create an air seal so that obviously the fucking hot air doesn't come up. So yeah, I'm suffering. I'm sweating like a nun at pastry day, but I've got 300 miles left, 4.5 hours. Let's see how we get on. Sweating. We're up at the jumper there. Now the heat has nowhere to escape, so it can't blow up my legs and make me sweat out. So the only way it can escape is by the metal aluminium conducting the heat, which is making it unbearable to touch. It is so fucking hot. Such a helmet. I think someone lives up there. Look, it's like a fucking castle or something. It's 6:15 and we still got 2 hours and 37 minutes of driving. So it's plastic to the plastic. Can't really put the pedal to the metal because it's BMW and it's metal plastic. So hey ho. One extreme to another. We've gone from sweating our bollocks off to being in like monsoon rain. I was stuck at the tolls for like 20 minutes. Everyone was getting pissed off and beeping at me, and I was just like, I don't have a fucking credit card, what am I meant to do? So the guy took cash, obviously pocketed it, because we're meant to be there at 9. We're going to make 15 minutes to spare to check in, and then we're going to try and get the cars on the boat. And then hopefully we don't have to go for a storm tonight. Made it to Barcelona. We are queuing now, waiting to go on the boat. I think the boat is going to be loading up in about 30 minutes, something like that. This is the boat we're going on, I think. Nice, shiny, lit up one. We've got Daz and the Mercedes here.
We're still alive, we made it.
We made it in that one. We made it in this one too. Yeah. I really like this in low light. Looks banging in low light. So we're queued up. These are all the other cars all waiting. Let's go and test the cuisine that they've got on the ship, shall we? See what food there is. And have a look at the cabin, see where I'm going to sleep.
Up. Left leg. Thank you very much.
I'll see you at the top, boss.
You cannot get on. Yes, we can, mate. At angle. Fucking England's full of fucking speed bumps. 6033. 6033. This is the one right here. Oh, I might switch it on. Oh yeah, it's bunk beds. Sick. The toilet, mate.
Banging, mate. You got any wipes?
No. Go on, get up.
Damn it, in boxes it is.
Yeah, mate. Imagine if they actually come and cleaned up in the morning and found it massive. I'm just gonna go and find some food. I am hungry. Oh, look at that deco. This is my gourmet dinner because it was a choice of this, fish with eyeballs, or squid. Actually served me my Coca-Cola suction to the bottom of his hand. There is no fucking health and safety here whatsoever. It's amazing. Proper camera this time.
Why's that?
So I can actually take photos of birds with boobies on the beach. Can't wait to go to sleep. Oh yeah. This is like the most boringest dinner ever.
Actually, didn't even windows open. Why didn't you?
I need some fish with eyes to go with my chips. Just eat them. That cost me 16 quid. Hold on. 2 plates of chips, 2 drinks and a bread roll come to £16.
17.
Because you had 2 bread rolls.
3 bread rolls. Something. Didn't even get butter in there, good job.
I think they eat better in prison. On a boat and the floor is fucking slippery. Nearly stacked it. So I am fucking jumping in that if shit hits the fan. Fuck the cars.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a dolphin.
Darren, she called you a cock.
You can watch
Standard.
that.
Oh, kids running around everywhere. Killing polar bears. This is the room. You've got an up bed, a bottom bed, another bottom bed. Pull this down. You've got a bunk bed. How cool is that? I don't know if it'll hold my weight, but I'm going to try it. If I stack it, then yeah. It's a bed for tonight. Got a bit of bed tomorrow.